Breaking news. It is 4 o'clock here on the East Coast, which means the stock market has just closed, and it has been a grim day on Wall Street. The market suffered one of its worst days of the year, plunging across the board. The Dow down more than 1,000 points, the S&P 500 down nearly 3.5%, and the Nasdaq down nearly 5%. Wall Street reacted positively yesterday to the Fed, suggesting there would only be a small rate hike moving forward, but yesterday's massive gains are now entirely wiped out and then some. NBC News senior business analyst Stephanie Ruhle is here. What led to the sell-off? Yesterday they seemed to be okay with the Fed hike.
Well, no celebrating on this Cinco de Mayo. You said it. Yesterday when the Fed raised rates, we saw the market go up about 900 points. And then investors went to bed and they woke up this morning and said maybe not. Remember, the Fed is raising rates of the hope of slowing down inflation, but it's a tricky balance. If they raise rates too much too quickly, that could tip us into recession, and that slows business. That could mean jobs start to go away. But on the other side, if they don't raise rates enough and do it quickly, then inflation will continue to spiral higher and higher. So today, markets are digesting that, and at least for now, they don't like it.
So is there a sense that maybe the Fed didn't move quickly enough in the first place?
Absolutely. That has been a concern for months now, but here we are. So for those who are saying, I'm not a normal investor, what do I do here? Well, let's relax. Remember, market volatility, though we don't see it every day, is a normal occurrence. And if you are someone who doesn't necessarily invest every day, you're more a retirement savings, a 401k type of person, don't use a time like this to jump in and sell or jump in and buy. At a time like this, you want to hang tight. And maybe the most important thing to remember, while the market is important, the stock market and the economy are not the same thing. And looking at the market go down doesn't mean the economy is doing poorly. We still have a very strong jobs picture. We're getting the jobs number tomorrow. We know we're in economic recovery. But because of the situation in Ukraine, things have slowed somewhat. We've got those supply chain issues that are lingering. But don't just look at the markets and think, oh, the sky is falling.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.